right from the start, I had a vision about this song. So when I discussed that with Sneha also after we recorded the song, I told her this is exactly, how I visualize this song. For a film also, it's very interesting because you become somebody's voice. So you have to do justice to that character.
Hi everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I am Rashita Sahani and today we have with us the very talented singer and performer Tulsi Kumar, who's currently enjoying the success of her recently released song Tanhai. Hi Tulsi.
Hi, thank you. And thank you for such a warm welcome.
You're welcome. So Tulsi, firstly tell me, the song has been trending on YouTube ever since it released. A tremendous response.
It's amazing because Tanhai, I've been doing a lot of collaborations lately, and here I come with a complete solo single, and I'm very, very thrilled, very, very excited with the kind of response we've got. And yeah, I think with independent music, you're so attached to the song right from the start that also when the song does well and it gets appreciation, you're all the more happy. So before we started making the song, of course it's a very different space. It's a pop rock genre. Of course it is a sad motivational song, sad yet motivational, but it's in a different space. I've experimented with my tone also in terms of the vocals, because the key of the song is also such that it needed to have that passion and that attack. So yeah, overall, the whole experience, the videos also being appreciated and loved. So I'm very excited.
Okay. And I read that it took 4 months for to ideate it and to actually make the song. How was the prep like? It would have been definitely intense.
It was amazing. The entire team that has worked with me on Tanhai, whether it is the music composers, that's Sachit Parampara, Saeed Kadriji, who's done the lyrics, or the director of our videos, Sneha Shetty Kohli. I think we've all worked hand in hand. And yeah, it took us over 4 months. And since I'm based out of Delhi, so I had my phone calls and Zoom sessions with them where we had the entire planning and discussion right from the music recording to shooting the video. So all the planning was done in those 4 months. But I think, creatively working on a single is very, very satisfying for an artist. And मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला in the process, which is amazing when you get to learn newer things.
Okay. And I saw the video, as you said, it's very motivating to watch the entire concept of the video, and you conceptualized it. So, from singing, performing, how did you manage it all?
When I decided that I want to do something like this, I had in mind that I want something college oriented that's going to, so that the girls out there can also pick up the guitar and sing, because usually we have a lot of heartbreak songs that keep coming in, but they're usually male dominated vocals. So I had it in mind that I want to do this for the college audiences, for the school going audiences who are, just they go through a lot in life, and then there are times when you give up on your own passion, you give up on a lot of things that can do good to you. So I think through this video I've just tried to not saying in a preachy way, but I've just tried to give out that message that there's nothing that you should give up your passion for. And there are a lot of people out there in the world who are suffering much more than just like heartbreak is just a little bit of sadness and loneliness. But if you walk into the outside world, there are a lot of people suffering through a lot, yet with smiles on their faces.
Yeah.
So I think all the youth out there would definitely relate to this, and they would get motivated that they shouldn't get depressed even if they're going through Tanhai.
True, yeah. And tell me something, you recently said when the song released that when you're singing for a film, you sing for a character. But when you're doing an independent song like this, you have a lot of creative freedom as well. So what do you prefer more personally?
Actually, both, For a film, also, it's very interesting because you become somebody's voice. So you have to do justice to that character. Uh, and you're doing playback. But here you are the face of the music. In independent music, you are the face of your song. So definitely there is a music is music, it's this way or that way. But definitely, the involvement as an artist is much more when it comes to independent music, because every nitty gritty of also shooting the music video, especially now because of the lockdown, and by chance in 2020 only I've worked on a lot of independent songs, so I know that shooting with those constraints, so I've actually understood ki kya kya hota hai behind the scenes, which usually there were huge teams to take care of. Now we have cut down teams because of the current scenario and situations of COVID. So yeah, I think it's been a great, enriching learning experience.
Okay. And tell me something, as you said, 2020 only you have been around and so many hits, but overall also you have back-to-back hits. So what keeps you going?
Firstly, touch wood. Firstly, all the audiences who give me so much love and appreciate my work. Because honestly, I'll be very honest with Tanhai. I was very confident of the song, but it is a very different space. Even the music video is not like, just a love angle, or it's not like what usually we see. So I took a huge risk or chance, but I'm very thankful to my audiences because they are the ones, when you get that appreciation from them, that's when you think that you should keep going and you should keep delivering something different. So I just try from my end that at least in independent music, when I am doing something, I give out something that kind of makes the audiences feel good and loved and inspires them.
Okay, yeah, correct. And the Tanhai director Sneha, she said that working was with Tulsi was even better because she had a vision and she was very clear about what she wanted to do. So, how did you get this in mind, the entire thing, to make it, quickly and then release it? How did it pop up?
So as I said, right from the start, I had a vision about this song. So when I discussed that with Sneha also after we recorded the song, I told her this is exactly, how I visualize this song as. And she was very keen with my concept and she also really liked it. And she decided, okay, let's together, take charge of it. I don't know the behind the scenes ka kuch bhi. मुझे सिर्फ पता था कि I want to do this video in this manner. So it's hats off to Sneha that she put it out so beautifully for the audiences that it looks really, really beautiful on screen.
Okay. And Tulsi, tell me something. When you become an acclaimed singer, like you give hits, there is a certain like member in the audience. There is a part of the audience that starts expecting from you that इनका music तो अच्छा होगा ही, song अच्छा होगा ही. So does that ever make you nervous or puts any pressure on you?
Definitely, yeah. Before every release, I'm very nervous. And honestly, before Tanhai or before any of my single, I'm a little more nervous because, you're carrying the whole song on your shoulders. Also, previously I had collaborations. However, this one was a total solo. So it was all like on me. But pressure hota hai, but I think you have to deal with it because if you let the pressure play too much, then you can never do newer things. But I always try to give my 200%, and then it's up to the audiences to kind of connect with it. And thankfully, they keep giving me all the love. So huge thank you to everyone who have loved my songs and who are giving so much love to Tanhai.
Okay. And now that Tanhai is a hit, is there a Tanhai part 2 in the making? Are we hearing you next? Because I actually saw comments on YouTube that we want a part 2. And I was going every 2-3 comments after there was this comment.
I would love to because but abhi to kal gana ye release hua. I think first let everyone enjoy this and then let's see how we can plan the second part also.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Tulsi, for talking to me. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me on your show.
Yeah.